Are you trying to find the perfect cordless ratchet without all the guesswork? Relax, we've got you covered with a quick, clear look at the top cordless ratchets you can grab today. Today, I'm going to be going over the best cordless ratchets that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the AOBEN cordless ratchet set. From the moment you unbox the compact form and tactile grip signal, a user-friendly design aimed at DIY enthusiasts and pros. Its target audience clearly includes home mechanics and hobbyists seeking affordable reliability with fewer bulky cords hindering small space projects. Overall impression is that it balances value and function enough to justify a spot in a busy toolkit. Construction relies on a robust yet lightweight housing that reduces fatigue during extended sessions while resisting everyday workshop abuses. The tool integrates a compact workflow with a slim head and quick release for changing sockets, which reduces downtime. Dimensions stay pocket-friendly at a modest length that fits tight engine bays and crowded workstations without sacrificing reach. Power comes from a brushless motor design tuned for longevity and smooth operation across fast and slow torque settings. A selectable clutch or variable torque output enables precise fasteners without damaging delicate hardware or stripping threads. LED work light helps illuminate cramped recesses, ensuring visibility when locating fasteners in dim garages or under vehicles. In practical tests, it maintains consistent torque under load and stops short of over-tightening, preserving fasteners and material. Battery life is sufficient for a typical repair session, with quick recharge times that minimize downtime between tasks. Real-world performance on automotive projects shows reliable turning motion and steady control across dense metal and plastic materials. Compared directly with the DeWalt DCF830, the AOBEN cordless ratchet set shows notably better balance and grip control in hand. The pros include affordable price, ergonomic grip, and smooth brushless motor. The cons include relatively short battery life under heavy loads and higher price than basic corded models in practical scenarios. At number 4, we have the KIMO cordless ratchet wrench, delivering a surprisingly balanced blend of power, portability, and precision. From the first feel, this tool appears aimed at DIYers seeking professional-grade reliability within a compact, comfortable handle for extended sessions. Its ergonomic handle distributes pressure evenly, reducing user fatigue during long screws or stubborn bolts, and the textured grip prevents slipping. The unit measures around a standard palm width and maintains a balanced center of gravity that enhances control when routing tight fasteners. The housing uses a brushed aluminum shell that feels premium and resists dings from routine workshop use every day. Its design prioritizes compact size without sacrificing grip area, allowing versatile operation in confined spaces like cabinet frames or engine bays. Despite the sturdy build, it remains surprisingly light, weighing about 2.1 pounds for comfortable single-handed operation. A 2-speed gearbox enables slower starts for precision and higher speed for quick repetitive tasks, reducing thread crossovers and camming. An integrated LED work light illuminates dim work areas, and a small battery indicator shows charge status to prevent unexpected drops. A quick-release anvil allows rapid bit and socket changes, eliminating tedious socket reach and maintaining consistent retention during operation. During real-world testing, torque delivery remained consistent across temperatures and materials, preserving performance under sustained tightening without noticeable slowdown throughout. Battery life held up in extended sessions, with quick recharges allowed by the included charger and reasonable total runtime per day. Vibration dampening minimizes user fatigue, while the tool remains comparatively quiet for a high-output cordless wrench class during use. In a direct comparison with a leading DeWalt 20V cordless ratchet, the KIMO matches torque and weighs less, while battery life lags. The pros include ergonomic grip, long battery life, and affordable price. The cons include limited torque range and patchy accessory availability. At number 3, we have the ACDelco ARW1209P. From first glance, this cordless ratchet exudes professional intent, marrying compact ergonomics with a robust chassis that promises all-day reliability. Ideal for automotive hobbyists and tech-savvy pros who value quick fastener work without dragging heavy toolboxes along anywhere. The included battery and charger simplify setup, letting new users get to work immediately without hunting incompatible power packs. The main body presents a magnesium-based composite with textured grip, reducing fatigue and providing confident control during extended sessions. Its head design delivers a compact profile that reaches tight spots, while the trigger curvature favors precise control under load. The finish resists oil splashes and minor scratches, maintaining readability of labels and ease of wipe down after greasy sessions. Power delivery relies on a highly efficient motor system, delivering torque smoothly across a broad RPM range with minimal heat buildup. A micro-LED work light illuminates the work surface without glare, ensuring visibility in dim garages or under vehicles. The forward and reverse mechanism is instant, allowing rapid bolt changes without repositioning your stance or losing torque control. In bench testing, it maintains consistent speed under load and shows impressive clutch response when seating stubborn fasteners. In real-world automotive tasks, it reduces ratcheting time by enabling quick engagement while preserving thread integrity through balanced torque. For durability tests, it withstood repeated disassembly and reassembly cycles without loosening fittings, maintaining consistent performance across sessions spanning hours. Compared directly with a leading 12-volt rival tool, the ARW1209P delivered steadier torque and notably quieter operation under similar workloads. The pros include ergonomic grip with noticeable fatigue reduction, rugged magnesium-based construction with a durable finish, and long battery life with efficient charging. The cons include heavier weight than competing models when used for prolonged periods and a price premium that may deter budget buyers. At number 2, we have the AOBEN Cordless Ratchet Wrench Set. From the unboxing, the set communicates a purpose built for DIY enthusiasts and professional technicians seeking on-the-job flexibility without sacrificing portability. Its target audience includes weekend warriors, automotive hobbyists, and woodworkers who value cordless convenience over corded limits today for projects across garages. The grip is rubberized and contoured, providing secure control during extended sessions and reducing fatigue considerably, which translates to fewer pauses. Constructed with a sturdy housing and reinforced anvil interface, this wrench set resists daily wear while maintaining a polished cosmetic finish. Its dimensions strike a balance between compact footprint and accessible bit storage, ensuring versatile usability in tight engine bays and cabinets. The weight remains manageable at a comfortable mid-range, enabling precise torque application without triggering operator strain during prolonged tasks and long shifts. Powered by a compact brushless motor, this tool delivers consistent torque and longevity compared to cheaper brushed competitors. A standout feature is the variable speed trigger, allowing controlled tightening and delicate loosening across a wide range of fasteners, even in awkward angles. Another notable detail is a phosphor bronze ratchet head with improved durability and smoother engagement under heavy load conditions and extended service intervals. An integrated bit storage rail keeps bits organized, reducing misplacement and speeding up workflow during fastener changes and routine maintenance. The kit includes a handful of driver bits and sockets, expanding versatility for automotive, woodworking, and hobbyist projects that require rapid adaptability. In real-world testing, it maintains steady torque at mid-speeds and shows minimal battery sag under common tasks, even when driven hard. Compared to a leading competitor, the AOBEN set offers similar torque with a lighter, more compact feel and a friendlier price. The pros include an ergonomic handle, a compact size, and torque that punches above its class in everyday use. The cons include a higher price than basic models and battery life that could be more robust under heavy use. At number 1, we have the ACDelco ARW1209K9. This best-in-class tool sets the standard for cordless ratchets due to its balanced feel and reliable performance. For professionals tackling frequent wheelwork and ambitious hobbyists, the ARW1209K9 promises durable reliability without sacrificing maneuverability in cramped spaces. Design and ergonomics stand out, featuring a balanced grip and compact head that reduces wrist strain during extended sessions. Its rugged build uses sturdy metal and tight tolerances, while overall dimensions keep it accessible beneath dashboards and in tight engine bays. Compact 7.5-inch head design keeps the tool agile in restricted spaces while maintaining access to stubborn fasteners. Comprises a 2.0-hour lithium pack and rapid charger, enabling quick top-ups and minimizing downtime between job cycles. Torque figures peak around 65 foot-pounds, enabling frequent bolt removal tasks that typically require manual impact torque. The kit includes a 2.0-hour lithium battery and rapid charger, delivering quick top-ups and minimizing downtime between jobs. A soft start trigger and variable speed control offer refined handling, letting users modulate torque precisely without sacrificing speed under load. Compact form factor and a low-profile head improve reach in tight spots, reducing fatigue during sustained fastening sessions. The mole management keeps heat moderate through dense fastening sequences, preserving efficiency and preventing torque drop during long sessions. Live testing results show reduced tool fatigue and faster service times when comparing this tool against traditional ratchets in similar job stacks. Compared to a similar 12V cordless ratchet from a competing brand, the ARW1209K9 delivers smoother operation and longer runtime per charge. The pros include excellent torque, quality build, and long battery life. The cons include higher price and limited battery options in some markets.